Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Long time no see. But I am back. Hello. I see something in Russian there, but I don't know how to say it. I'm not Russian. How is everybody doing? I guess you guys know what we're going to do. I'm going to start a prop firm challenge live. Let's see if anybody wants to join. Let's see. Nobody wants to join me. I'm waiting for people to join. If nobody wants to join, let me start my analysis. Okay, so I have here the US30. How I said it's a prop challenge account. It's a brand new 50,000 challenge account, 2 steps. 8% first step, 5% second step, a daily loss 5%, max loss 8%. Those are the rules. Let me go do some analyze. Okay, so I have here US30. Let me know in the chat what you want to trade, and also let me know in the chat if you're gonna do this with me. I need to know if you getting into this challenge. Okay, I see here I have a demand zone. The price went down and aggressively went back up till like here. Okay, this is the EMA 50. If anybody's asking, let me change it to white because that's how I like it. And a little thicker. Okay, I can see the price went back down. It touched this demand zone and now it goes back up. I also want to be careful around this area. It might be a resistance. You can see was support here 2 times, and then it was 1 time a resistance. Let's see if it gets back there. It's gonna become resistance. So that's what I'm watching today. I usually like to watch the opening. So I usually go usually, not really usually, in the last times I did that. So the open was at 9:30. On 30 minutes, the price is above the EMA. So I'm looking for buys. So let's see. I'm looking for a buy right now on a Dow. We'll see if we're going to have that. I can see the EMA act as a support. Let's see. How is everybody in the chat? Talk to me. Talk to me. Are they new followers? They are people that are following me or are on Instagram or we talked before. If you are, please say hi. If you're new, please say hi too. Parham, it's been a long time. I miss you so much. How you doing? How is your analyze looks like? What you looking for? We're looking for a sell, a buy. What you looking for? Mm, this is 5 minutes. Let's look at the gold. Man, I think I have a problem with my eyes. So hard to see. Need to go check them. Don't you worry, child. Here we go. This on 5 minutes is a supply zone. Let's see. You might go down. Grab some liquidity from here and just go down. Let's wait and see. We're going to the gold. Okay, where do I look for the gold now? This is a trade locker. I did not trade forex for so long, guys. I was trading a US30, but on a future side. Now I got back to the forex. Because I found the challenges are better for the futures than for the forex. Sorry, than for the futures. What's going on? Is all this? How do I get out of this? Oh, jeez. There we go. Okay. So here is the gold. My laptop is lacking. Sorry for that. Okay. Okay, little gold. Let's go to 5 minutes. No, let's go to an hour first. My buy limit entry was not hit. It's been running 500, so I didn't get the entry today. Be careful, ma'am. 30 will make a very deep reversal. So you're looking for a short. Okay, so this is the gold on 1 hour. Let's mark this area right here. When you guys analyze the chart, like usually analyze it just for that day what you're looking for, or you do a full analyze. What I see here on 1 minute, I see it wants to make a W. So you see here, this is the neck of the W. Let's see if it's gonna go above. And if it will be a very nice buy. Let's go on a 5 minutes. My laptop is so slow today. Why? Okay, 5 minutes. it is, the price is above the EMA. I think it's a kind of a consolidation here. It's roughy. Let's see on 1 minute. Don't you worry, child. I don't see nothing yet to go in. That I would like to see. The only thing I saw is on 1 hour, the W forming, but it needs to cross the white line. Let's see how the price reacts right here at the EMA on gold. You can see before it was acting as a support, but let's see. Let's see, everybody. Is my video really lacking? Really lacking? Okay, this is US30. You can see it touched this area that was on a 5 minutes. This area. There was supply. And let's see how it's gonna react. But I need a nicer reaction. I like this here. I don't know how you call it, this. When the two candles are having the same high and the red is bigger than the green. It shows a reversal, right? But we're waiting for the reversal. Guys, talk to me if you miss me. What's going on? Where are my people? One thing that I don't like about the trade locker is that I don't have alarms. So I will need to open the trading view to set alarms. Let's see. Oh God, I really hate it. It's really lagging my computer and I hate it. I'm so sorry. Don't you worry, child. Canelalo, canelalo. I'm looking at the gold. Do we have any news today? Let's see. The house market index, it was at 10 o'clock. That's all the important news for today, so we good. Canelalo, canelalo. Tell me now. In my way you are, she know. Send me now. I'm trying to sell 47,170. Ah, so you want to go back here? Let's see. Yeah, I'm looking for a sell too at this point. I think it reacts to this area. Maybe if it crosses the EMA nicely and we go on a short. Patience. I said I did it all for you. My stop loss is only at 4,7,200. Oh, nice. I remember you trade very tight stop losses and big take profit. Let me see a little bit here how it went. Because I like to also look before, like how the price reacted it before around the areas in comparison to the EMA. So it did cross the EMA, but when did the big move happen? 1, 2, 3. Let's see. It's consolidating clearly. Sipping in a bad dreams, there's no you. Oh, Vasil, US will go down now for the rest of the day. I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for it. So where do you think it's gonna go till? Till this blue area or maybe till here, the previous. Let's see. Let's wait for it. I usually just go from 1 to 2, so when I'll go in a trade, here we go. When I go in a trade, I usually just take my 2 and leave. I don't know if anybody is doing this challenge with me because I want to just tell you the rules that I want to make, the plan that I want to do in order to pass this challenge. Let me see something. I want to see the spread on the US30, not the spread, contract size. View details. Okay, lot size 100 because I need to adjust. Oh, I am great. How are you? Thank you for joining me. I miss doing live trading a little bit. Okay, so 2, I want to risk 2 if that's 100, 0.02. I need to go. Okay. I have a full candle open and close below the EMA. Oh, I'm waiting to see if it gives me a little retest of this white line here in order to go. So basically the rules that I want to follow is I'm starting with risking 250 per trade, which is 0.5%. I'll do that for till I am up at least $1,000. And once I'm up $1,000, I'll risk 1% till um, till the end. I am only taking 1 loss a day and 2 wins maximum if one but if I have 2 wins, I'm not going for the third one. And maximum 1 loss. That's the plan of passing this challenge. Is it the video really lacking, guys? Okay, this will be my entry. I want to go here to reverse. Bonita, esa carita bonita. I want a retest of this area. I didn't touch it yet. Hey, Navaraj. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. I am great. How you are doing? I'm doing good. I'm glad. How are I know your exams. You had the exams and did you pass it all? Mhm. Oh, it didn't come. Did I miss this entry? Maybe at this week I should have gone in. Hmm. Oh, maybe the retest. I need a retest of this area to go in. Is anybody doing the challenge? A challenge? Răspund după tine și atunci când apare. Reversal because there is in a 15 minutes. Let's see. Fair value. I think it will go till here though. But I think I missed it already, so. I missed it. I think it will go exactly my 2. If somebody got it, congratulations. I should got in after this week. Should've, could've, would've. I think I have this problem, especially now that I didn't trade for like 2 weeks. Cold peak. One of my brother passed the challenge 1 step. That's nice. Which prop firm? Not trading for a little bit, you see, makes you a little evident when you go to trade. It was a great trade. Look here when I got, but I still have a feeling you want to retest the EMA from below. I still have that feeling. I'm waiting for it. You know? Oh, I never heard about. Congratulations, yeah. But that's not everything. To keep it, it's also a lot of work too. So so whoever took this trade, congratulations, you already in a lot of profit. sé qué fue. Date un tragadito. Which prop fan do you use? I use right now a Hola Prime. If you guys want to use it, I have a code for you. Just ask me, I'll give you the code. Good, Parhan. So you didn't wait to go back to 170. You just got in after you see this? That's great. Also, the gold went down. You see, I forgot about the gold. Peace. um, you were surprised. You were surprised in a good way or in a bad way? Look, this is the spread right now. Something's got a hold of me lately. Let's put the Fibonacci here and see. Okay, but when the move it stopped, not now. Yeah, let's wait for the move to stop, and then maybe it's gonna go back up, and then retest the EMA and continue go down till this level here. When you're not next to fail to enter gold, which is aggressive like a casino, and I don't know the rules. What rules you don't know? You need to calculate. You need to be very careful when you calculate. Because, for example, look, US30, right? View details. One lot is 100. Lot size 100. So if you put here 1, you basically buy 100 of US30, which is a lot, right? So what I do, I use trading view and I calculate there. So now I just want to risk two of 100. So if one lot is 100 and I just want to risk two, so it's 0.02. Does that make sense? How do I use Fibonacci? From the upper to the lowest point, but I need the move to stop. And then I'll look to from 0.5 to 0.6 what's that? 618, and see how the price reacts. And if that levels also is like for a match a support resistance or a low of the day, high of the day, it's a double confirmation. It's stronger. You see, I hit it exactly on a tip. It's gonna be the 2. Wait and see, and then it's gonna touch this and it's gonna retrace a little bit, give me a retest of the EMA, and then probably I'll enter, but I missed it. But it's okay. I don't have a feeling about it, so that's good. Vasil's, where are you from? Vasil's Pat. Vasily. Oh, you're from Greece. Tikanes. Tikanes? No, Tikanes. What's Tikanes? Oh, I forgot. How? Hello. Tikanes. No, it's hello? Or how are you? I forgot. Oh, okay. Kala. Yeah, Kalazı. Kalaize. I used to work with a lot of Greek people. So I learned a little bit. A little bit, not so much. But I forgot because it was years ago. Here we go, the two. You see, got here. Let's see if it gives me the retest of the EMA. How did you find my live, Vasile? Okay, so if everybody got this trade, almost full TP, congratulations, no drawdown. So Parhan, you got it. So you got it. So if this will be the end of the move, I will put a Fibonacci right here. I don't know if it's the end. And you see, I will look here, this area, 0.5. I wanted to say that the area might match the EMA. It doesn't. It doesn't. It doesn't. If I have to choose between Fibonacci and EMA, I will choose the EMA. Because it's EMA 50. It's pretty strong. You told me. You told me, Parhan. And it did have, my analysis said that, you see, the rejection. I had this draw with you guys. I draw this. The price went below the EMA and this white line. I was wanted this. I wanted the retest of the white line. The price didn't give it to me. But it's fine. This week it can be, you can take this week here as a retest, and you will go on the next candle Put the stop loss just above the EMA and just take a 2. I've been trading for 5 years, but I've been profitable for not 2 yet, 1.5. Maybe I go to 2 on a 4 hour. On a 4 hour is a strong resistance. I call it classic A. You call it an A. Yeah, you see, I have it here on a 4 hour. It is. But if you trade with me, you know I am a very conservative trader. I usually wait for 2 confirmations when I want to go in a trade. I want to retest. I really, you know, I'm not, what can I say? But let's see how the price reacts here now. Let's put a Fibonacci. But this was a nice trade. Who took it? Congratulations. Yeah, I marked it here if you were faster than me. Yeah, thank you. It took me 3 years. So this is a Fibonacci. Let's mark this area and see. These from Motherline. Here we go. Let's put a different color. Love, and sometimes I can't more. And let's see how the price react around this area. If somebody tells you that it's gonna take you months to be profitable, I think they lying from my personal experience, or they have superpowers, mentally superpowers. But I think majority of us takes us years. And even now you can see I just discovered a problem today that I have. I was evident to go into the trade, even though I marked it here. I'm like, okay, this, I still was a little hesitant to go into the trade. So save me now, save me from mother. Hey Marianne, how are you? I said I did it all for you. Ooh, 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 ooh. I knew it gonna break my heart in two. I want to see if it'll give me a retest of the EMA. It tries, but the buyers are strong. Short on euro. You just chilling here with you guys. I start a trading challenge, a prop firm challenge. So, it's very important. Probably that's another reason why I was evident. The first trade that you take in a trading challenge, it's very important because if it's a good one, you already, you're feeling better and you feel more confident, which is a good thing. If it's a bad one, it can depends on the person, but it can mess you out a little bit. So at least the first trade. Let's take the first trade good. I'm also where is the gold? I'm also want to watch the gold. A nice short on gold. Very nice short. All I have trailing, but the price for challenges is very good. What do you mean have trailing? How long will you need to pass the challenge? Any challenge? I actually I had many challenges in my career. Um, I actually pass it in 10 days sometimes, but depends on the market. Um, so with this strategy that I want to take, it should take a minimum of, so if I risk 250 to make five, that's one, two, and then three, four, at least a week. The the best scenario, but I think if you do it in a month, it's great. A month, you should like have a plan for a month. Now that you it's gonna happen to pass it in 5 days because you have all good trades, that's great, but we all know that's not really, it's possible, but it's not really healthy either, because who has just winning trades? No, to pass 5 days to pass first step. And because if I have a loss, I'm done for today. That's, I want to implement that rule 100%. One loss, out of the game for the day. So I think it's going to take me like a month. Trading 1-2 hours a day max. I want to see if the price, you see, didn't react. Maybe it's going to react to this white line. Um, if not, I'm done for today. The hour, it's up, so how long does it took you guys to pass a challenge usually? 6 trades per day for me with $100 stop loss per trade. Yeah, so if you lose all, you just only lose $600, which is not gonna happen. So what's your risk reward? 1 to 2, 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Oh, nice, nice. Nice. I guess we all are different and we all have to know our strength and our weaknesses. My big weakness for me is to accept a loss. So if I will have your strategy with 6 trades a day and I will have 3, 4 losses that day, that will just mess me out up. So for me, just because I have that problem with the losses, I don't have a problem missing out this trade. You see, I miss it, I miss it. I don't have, oh, let me get and you get in later, or I don't have the fear of missing out. I don't have what's I have the revenge. I have that very, I still have it. That's the problem, even after, and I think you will have it all the life because that's in you. But you need to learn how to control it and to have a plan that is not going to mess you up and make you go into that. So for me, if I'll have a strategy like yours, I know it will get me into that revenge trading. So with one loss, sometimes I take two losses. I just have to admit it. But I just won one loss for a specific account, for this specific account. Um, that's all I can handle mentally. You know what I mean? To be able to function for the rest of the day and not think about it. So everybody has their own things, and you have to make a strategy based on your weakness. And how tight is your stop loss if you go 1 to 3? It looks like the price give a retest to the Fibonacci. So you can't. So you too. You have the same problem. So why your strategy is 6 trades per day? 6 is a lot. I believe 6 is a lot because you can go either way. You can, let's say you make the money, say, oh, I made this money, let's make more, and then you lose. If I take all the setup of wow, I might get 10%. You saw you pass a challenge in the first day. Okay, let's see. We can go on a short here. 1 to 2. Let's wait to break below the EMA and also watch here. Let me ask you, Encho DJ Kotoe, are you profitable? Okay, let me see how much should I risk here. Okay, so if this candle close below the EMA, I might go. What does it mean? 50%? You profitable 50%? 50% of the time with a 1 to 3 strategy. So that means you are profitable. No, but why I ask this, if you're not profitable, you don't have to tell me if you're profitable or not. But if you're not profitable, you probably want to look into, here we go, yes. Here we go. We are on in a trade. Okay, let's put the stop loss right here. So I'm risking $242. Confirm. Oh, and take profit. I go to 2. So it should be like 500. Okay, here we go. Confirm. Okay, so I'm officially in a trade. I'm gonna watch how the price reacts here at this blue line. Let me make this a little bigger. Here we go. Still a newbie. Okay. Okay, just meditate, not meditate. Just to think a little bit about the amount of trades you take a day. Just do a journal and watch yourself. For example, if you take three trades, how do you feel? How do you feel for the fourth one? How do you feel for the fifth one? And because I'll be honest, 6 trades a day with 1 to 3 risk reward is a lot. With 1 to 3 risk reward, you should just be okay with 1 trade a day, 1 lose or 1 win, or you can put 2 wins. Like for this strategy, I'm okay with 2 wins in a day. If I just have one, that's fine. But if I have 2 wins, I stop. I don't go for the third one because I know that might be a loss. So I don't want to lose the 2 already. How many times did I tell you? What do you guys think about this trade that I just took? So I don't know if I explained the trade, why I took the trade. You can see this white line. Here we go. Let me zoom in a little bit. So many lines. This white line, it's this here. So it's usually not just a line, it's an area. You can see the price reacted with this week around this area. The price came back to this area and rejected it. And also this is a Fibonacci level, which I also consider a rejection. So I think it will go, but we'll see. It might not. But that's the logic behind it, why it happened. Oh, I don't like all these lines here. It just bother me visually. Let me go to settings. Let's do the deep breath, please. Down on my knees, darling, please. I don't know how to change it, to be very honest. It just bother me. When you're not next to me, you will win this trade. You will be a good trade, a profit. We need to, guys. I want me too. For me too, I want to get out of my vocabulary win and lose, because also that affects you mentally. A good trade is all trades win loss that follow your strategy. So let's say a profitable trade or but if we also give the losing trades, the unprofitable trade, making it was a good trade even though it wasn't on a profit, it still was a good trade because it followed my strategy and my mental was still intact. That's still a win for me. I follow my strategy. I follow my strategy. It did not affect me mentally, and that's a win for the day. I mean, that's a bigger win when we can actually do that with no feelings. I'm gonna do an experiment. I'm gonna tell you now before, but I'm also gonna do an experiment with my cat. Um, it's gonna be, and you're gonna see it on Instagram. I want to see if my cat can pass a prop firm. So I'm gonna have him. Uh, I use a lot for one entry prop firm challenge. I use lot 0.05 for what entry? CP for CP. Yeah. I if I take student, I can take people. Yeah. I'm not saying I'm a teacher because, but I can teach. Yeah, my way and how to read, and especially I think what I like the most is the psychology. I can help with that and with the strategy. So your cat also trade. I want to make an experiment and see if for a strategy, not a really strategy, but if you like, how can I say, you went into a trade just with no feelings, right? Buy, sell, 1 to 2 risk rewards. It doesn't even matter, like gambling basically, but with no feelings. That you don't have revenge trading, you don't have. So I want to put my cat to choose the instrument. No, it's just gonna be around the house. Choose what you want. Gold, US30. How much you risk. Hold up, Prime, the rules are scary. What rules are scary, Parhan? Let's go together here and see. You cannot lose an account for zero. Depends. Uh, you can send me DM on Telegram. You can. Do you have my Telegram though? You can send me DM on Instagram. Um, I don't know who you are on Telegram. But I'm gonna write my Telegram here. If you guys you want me to teach you something, work on you can DM me on Telegram. Held back by the 50% consistency rule. What challenge did you choose, Parhan? I want to just go. I finish it in one day, but you should not finish a challenge in one day, Parhan. You should not finish a challenge in one day. That's not. That means you don't have a strategy and you are just lucky. Let's go together. Let me watch this trade though. I'm gonna put it here, the whole prime. Okay. Let me see. Because I still want to see the trade, how it works. It's okay. If for a 2K challenge, Parhan, you risked 0.05, of course you're gonna lose. I risked 0.02 on a 50K. So you should be risking for a 2K, you should be risking 0.00. You understand what I'm saying? But you should look at the. Do you still use this code? Let me see if I have a code. And it's not just with Hola Prime, with anybody. You don't risk that much. 0.05 for a 2K. No. I risk 0.02 for a 50K. So just make a calculation. And that's how much? 200 and something dollar for this trade. So 0.05%. So what was the lot size that you choose? Um, okay, so I have a 25% if you want. 25, that's the code. Ți-am scris în tatuajele mele. I think you should start small. Okay. I think the direct account has the consistency rule, or one step, right? 2 steps has consistency rule. Mine, I don't think mine does. Has consistency rule. Mine doesn't have consistency. So yeah, if you want mentorship, you can DM me on. Oh, dollar bill, you had it on Telegram, and we talk about it. What do I want to say? I'm looking how to change this line here. It really bothers me, and I don't understand why. Visually. Come on, you went all nice. And now you don't want. I don't know how to change that line. I might, I don't know. I don't want to close it yet. But I don't know if the trade wants to go in my favor. Here. Here is my stop loss. So I'm risking $250, so 0.05%, 0.048%. Todo escondido por infinito. It's just above the white line. I give it a little space to breathe. But let's see how it acts, because I might close it soon. And if this is gonna be a loss, that's it for today. Even if it's gonna be a win, so that's it for today. So it's been almost 1 hour and a half. Gold has a nice. Let's go to gold a little bit. I just let this run. I want to go fast to the gold because I see something interesting. Shut it. Let's go to the gold for a little bit. No, this is my first trade. Okay, here we go. This is the gold. This is an area where the price keep going up. It's a big area because this is 1 hour. Why it's so big? Whatever. I see a W. Here we go. That's the neck. So let's see, the price is above the EMA. If it goes back, if we test this W neck base, I might want to go in a long. I love W's. I love W's. I don't know, it doesn't look like, but if it does, it's strong. I love it. Did I mark here? 1 hour. The one that you took early was, no, yeah, it didn't. I didn't catch it in time. And I didn't want to go after it, because I just missed my entry. I didn't. Okay, so this area, it's on 1 hour, you can see. That's why. And also was forming a W on 1 hour here, but probably tried to form a head and shoulders reverse. But yeah, it didn't give me the W on 1 minute. I thought it's going to. If here would be a rejection, it would be a nice long. It's not, so. It's not. Okay, so I'm still $134. So the trade is still running against me. I do love patterns. Like, I really like patterns. W, especially W or M, they're very strong. Am privito în ochi ultima oară. Okay, let's go back to US30. I see, I have the gold in my face in case I see something else. Now, let's see if it rejects this area. But you see the W here? You see it? Here. And here is the neck. The neck, the base. Fuiste al paso y no sé por qué razón. Textos inventaron la lectura del amor. DJ Coyote, where are you from? Quiero en tus manos abiertas buscar mi camino y que te sientas mujer solamente conmigo. Hoy tengo ganas de ti. Hoy tengo ganas de ti. Quiero poner en mis labios la sed de mi alma y descubrir el amor juntos cada mañana. Hoy tengo ganas de ti. Yep, we started with a loss. Not sucked too early, but I think that was it. I only trade this prop firm challenge in a live, so you guys can check on me to see. You see my end of the day balance to match the one from tomorrow. If it doesn't match, I want you guys to point it out and make me accountable for it. Hoy tengo ganas de ti. Hoy tengo ganas de ti. Quiero aturar en tus labios la sed de mi alma y descubrir el amor juntos. Okay, guys, that's it for today. One loss, 0.05 almost, and I'll see you tomorrow with hopefully a win. Oh, I just said earlier that I want to change this word. I hope today I'm gonna see you in profit. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. If you take more trades, please share it on a Discord group. If I will take any trades today, I'll take it on my cash account. This is not, that's it. I'm done with this for today. Man, I didn't want to touch my stop loss. Here we go. This trade was pretty close to my trade. I felt this loss like mine. Why? Why? You took the same trade? It didn't touch my stop loss yet. I don't know if you just want to reverse right now. That would be crazy, right? Hmm. But at this point, it's higher highs, higher lows. So you use Fibonacci. Do you use it the same, Vasily? You use it the same level, 050618, or you use the 6187? Which one you use? Oh, wow. Be afraid. Just a song. Then they sing. Me. So, darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand. I just want to, touch the stop loss. I don't want to close it right now. I just want to touch it itself. So don't cry. Don't cry. Oh. Shed our tears. Don't listen. I'm taking it on a line for 7055. For 7055. Which one Fibonacci? Like if you put the Fibonacci. Zero 055. So 6. Yeah. Here we go. It touched. Yeah, you see it reacted perfectly at the 0.618 here, this one here. But it just didn't want to go further down. It is what it is. It is what it is. Maybe I missed something. Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow with the... Let's see if we miss something. You see what we miss? Here. Look how beautiful rejection of the EMA on a 5 minutes. But sometimes it's hard to look on all the details. You see here on 5 minutes, beautiful rejection of the EMA. And 1 minute W. So this was a buy. Anyway, I guess the mind sees whatever you want to see. I wanted to see a short, I saw it. Now I was like, okay, let me see. Was the long? Would I see a long? I saw it. So just follow your strategy and that's it. So bye guys, see you tomorrow, same hours. Enjoy the rest of your day. Man, do you know the life stop life bottom disappeared? Here we go.